So we get to add another state.
Woo-hoo. Second one for this trip.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto North Memorial Drive.
This is a warning from the past, to make sure you're learning from mistakes that you did last. Send me a letter when you're done, evaluating what your short life.
All right, guys. So we were on the road a little longer than what we like to be. Got the generator running for the dogs. But we are at our Harvest Host tonight, and it's called Whiskey Run Creek Winery and Distillery. And we are in Brownsville, Nebraska. We're gonna show you around while we're here.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
All right, so we get to add another state.
Woo-hoo. Second one for this trip. All right, so we've already added Illinois. That was
Illinois.
new. And now we are adding Nebraska. There you go.
Wow.
I know, and we're gonna add so many more because we're gonna add South Dakota and Wyoming and Colorado and New Mexico and Texas and Oklahoma and Arizona. Woo-hoo.
Yay.
I know.
So,
Not
cool.
Arizona, Arkansas.
Arkansas.
I don't know my geography. I just teach it
All
sometimes.
right.
Okay.
Good deal. All right. So what'd you think about Whiskey Run Creek?
Okay, they were super nice. It's a family-owned business, so Matt and his dad basically run everything. They have a lady that comes in and helps at the bar and in the little gift shop. But it was really nice. It's very peaceful here. It's very quiet. Super little town. If you decide to stay here, if you're doing Harvest Host, GPS will take you down Main Street and they'll take you to the front of the building. That's not where you need to go. So when you get to Brownville, turn right on 7th Street and that will take you right to the parking lot.
Once again, we missed the turnoff.
Yeah, otherwise you're going to be just like parked on Main Street, which probably wouldn't go over really well.
So
but, yeah, this was a really neat place, so I'm glad we got to stay here. And
yeah, and the temperature was perfect last night.
Perfect last night, yes. So
So
go Nebraska, yay.
all right, we're off to the next.
I feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all.
Hey guys, we are at our Harvest Host for the night, the Diamond A Cattle Company. All right, so this is a one-room schoolhouse, and the owner actually went from 1st grade through 6th grade here and would ride his horse to school. right, it's time for a new state.
South Dakota. There we go.
That looks cool.
It does look good.
All right, and this place even has a sign, so you won't miss it. These two are glad to be out of the camper. But Gibbs is gonna find something in that grass in a minute he doesn't want to find.
So we really enjoyed our peaceful time here in Harvest Host. I have a feeling our next stop is going to be a little louder because boys and girls, we're heading to Sturgis.
On my way,